Okay, guys, we're going to be back at another Blackjack session. We are going to be playing at a $15 table. Remember, I'm going to be doing some live videos starting next week. I'll be in Vegas. So this is kind of some Vegas practice as well as some practice for you if you're planning on hitting the tables anytime soon. So again, just different ways of how you can bet, how you can press. We're going to try to teach as much of the book as possible that I like to do. Let's go ahead and get started. Again, a $15 table. We'll have a burn card. And let's get started. Here we go. We're going to start off with a $15 bet. So I'm going to be betting and I'm going to be dealing at the same time. So here we go. All right. Let's get it started. So you have an 8. I guess a dealer 10. That's a hit. All right. 16. That's still a hit. 19. Okay. 19 against 18. That's a win. Okay. So again, what we're going to do here is we're going to try a press, basically a press pull. So we're going to press it up 2 units. Okay. So that's 2 units right there. That makes it up to a $25 bet. And then the next hit, we're actually going to pull it down. Okay. So it's going to be a press and pull. Looking for 2 wins in a row. All right. We got a 20 against an 8. That's a stand. 12, 15, 17. So again, that's a win. Okay. So that's $25. So the idea here is you pressed it, right? Now we're going to pull it back down to 15. And guess what, guys? All this right now, let's see here. Let's pull back your $15. So that's your starting bankroll. So you have a $25 bet. That's a free bet along with the $15 that you're betting next. Okay. So that's the idea. Press and pull. We're going to try to see if we can make, let's make it $100, $150. See how we feel here, right? Again, 18 against an 8. That's a stay. So we have here at 18. That's a push. Okay. All right. Let's keep it going. 12 against an ace. Oh, gosh, blackjack. All right, that's a loss. Let's pull that back. It's all right. That's why you have a press and pull, because now you have a free bet. Go back out there for another $15, just like that, okay? Again, you can raise it up if you want to, as high as you want. But, it's up to you. What kind of limits this works at any level, any black chip level, green chip level, it doesn't really matter. 14 against a 10, you got a hit. Oh, 19, okay. 19 against a 20, it's a loss, okay? Pull that back. It's all right. Go back out there. Now you're going back into your bankroll a little bit, okay? For the first time again, now you got a $15 bet. All right, 10 against a 6. That's a double every time. Sometimes you put it behind. Sometimes you put it to the side. Depends on what that dealer or that casino really prefers. We're going to tell them face down. Sometimes they allow you to face down. We're going to do it face down and see if we can have the dealer bust. In this case, perfect, 26. Doesn't even matter what you had there, right? So that's a good hit, okay? $30 win there, here, and there. So we're still gonna just press it up to a $25 bet, and then we're just gonna put the rest back. Find out where your break even is. So this is your break even, and then this is your profit, and this is your profit, okay? So try to find a way to put your break even to the side and only play with your profit bets. Hey guys, do you want to be able to play anytime, any place? Well, it's just that easy. Just like me, I'm at the beach. All you need to do is scan that QR code and automatically get $10 applied to your account. On top of that, guys, we're doing giveaways. We're doing up to $300 per month. We're doing giveaways every video. All you need to do is simple. Just sign up and register today, and you're automatically qualified for the giveaways. Make sure you do that today, and we'll see you at the tables. All right, here we go. 10 against a 10. That's just a hit. 19 against a 13. 15, too many, perfect, okay? Again, that's a $25 win. I'm just gonna pay you a green chip, and I can pull this back down to a $15 bet. So again, this right here is gonna be our profit right now. Okay, at some point in time, if you wanna start leveling your bet, raising your base to a $25 bet, you can always do that, and you can go to 25, 35, back to 25. So it all depends on how aggressive you really wanna be. Got 15 against a 10, no blackjack, so that's a hit. That's 23. That's 13. That's 14. You still got a hit. 21. Perfect. 21 against a 17. That's a win. Okay. So you win 15. Again, press it up to a $25 bet. Right the rest. All right, here we go. 13 against a 6. This 6 is a bust card, so we're going to stay. 16. Come on. Big card. 25. Perfect. Okay, so that's another $25 bet. I'm going to pay you a green chip, put that to the back. And you know what? This time, let's do this. We've got, what, 50, 75, 80, $80 profit right now. So let's just keep that $25 bet out there until it loses, okay? Keep it out there until it loses, okay? This gives you a little bit of flexibility on how much you can make. 13 against an 8, that's a hit. 23. So you lost that one. So guess what, guys? Start back over. You already got a little bit of money to work with, right? You still have some profit. So you can be a little bit aggressive sometimes. And here we go. 4 against, so you get two deuces against a 10. Some people would double this, or some people will split this. I don't split twos. I don't like it. So 4, it's a hit. 7, 10. Come on, big hit right here. 18. Okay, that's good. 14, 24. Perfect. Okay, so that's a win. $15. Again, I'm going to go up to a $25 bet. Put the rest back into the rack. Here we go. Look for 2 in a row. 13. Oh, here we go. 13 against a 6. Again, that's a stay. Dealer has a bust card here. It's a stay. 14. Oh, man, 20. Gosh, it's okay. Pull that back. Sorry, sometimes it is hard to get 2 in a row, right? Sometimes 3 is even better or even harder, but it does happen. That third bet is a 100% free bet all the way. Guys, you never split 5s. This is always just a double. You never split 5s, but it is going to be a double because you have a bust card here. So we're going to double it here. And then we'll do it face down just like that, okay? All right, 15, 25, perfect. So it doesn't even matter. Hey, you would have had 20 anyways. Okay, so let's go ahead and pay that out. Got here and here. And I'm not a dealer, so maybe a little sloppier than you normally see, but that's okay. We're practicing, right? So go up to a $25 bet and then rack the rest. As you see here, you still got what, 25, 50, 75. You actually got $115 and 100% profit right now. So what you could do, say, you know what? I've had a good session so far. I started with 200. I've made $100 profit. That's, what's that, 50% profit so far. So you actually could say, I'm going to lock in my $100, which is, what is that, 100? Here you go. That's lock in my $100, play with the 15, and see how that 15 rides it out, okay? Let's do that. So you got a 15 against a 2. I challenge doubling this. You can double it. I'm just going to take a hit. I'm going to lock in my $100. I'm just going to take a hit. The deuces always scare me. One guy always said 2s never lose. So I'm going to just take a hit. 15. That'll be 15 is. So I'm going to stay. 11. Oh, gosh. 21. I'm glad I didn't double. So what I'm going to do is I pulls back. So what I've done here, guys, I've taken $200, and now I've secured. Here, that's my, oh, you know what? Actually, not quite, actually. I told myself wrong, didn't I? So I pulled my money back here. So actually, so that's my starting bankroll of $100. So I'm at 50, 75, 85. That's $85 profit. If I wouldn't have put that last $15 in, it would have been $100 profit, but that's okay. I didn't realize I had a non-stack there. Either way, a good win. Walk away $85, take a break, come back another time. Okay, guys, I hope you've enjoyed the content. If you haven't already subscribed, again, live content coming soon. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, put a notification down below. Let us know how you like this channel. And guess what, guys? There's a new hype button. Let's go. Let's hype this video. Here we go. Again, this is Mark the Point, where we play smart and win more.